Hello everyone, my name is Alexis Crook. I am an implementation consultant here at Prosymmetry. And in today's video, I am going to be discussing portfolio financial categories. So Tempus provides clear visibility into your resource forecasts as well as the total plan costs, all within that hierarchy. So in Tempus, you can select which categories are available for each object type. Side note, if no financial categories are selected, the users will not be able to enter any financial data. We will get into that a little bit more within the live demo. You can enter your financial data at the project level. And then lastly, you can view roll-ups and roll-downs across your hierarchy. All right, getting into our live demo, there are a couple of different areas that I want to show specific to these financials. So let's start within admin settings here and SPM configuration. Right now I am within this objects tab. There is another video that exists kind of walking you through how to create these different objects, all of the different options here, but today we're just going to stick to kind of these first few columns here, specifically the financial category roll-up. In this case, you have the ability to select for each of these objects which categories do you want to roll up to each associated object type. So you can click on the pencil icon here, and in this case, I have chosen to roll up all of my different financial categories, but you can kind of pick and choose what makes the most sense for, in this case, the portfolio. Maybe you only want to see one, two, however many, maybe not all of them. If you do not select them here, they will not be rolled up. Navigating back to my home screen, I am going to go into my strategic portfolio tile here. And I have created a view to pull in some financial information that I think would be relevant to help you guys start to understand what information can live within this financials area. Firstly, I've got my total budget, so you can see those values here. We're not going to go too much into budget right now, but that does play a role in understanding the financials. We've got this budget total planned cost. So this is going to take into account the roll-ups of your labor costs, which come from your projects, as well as your financials from your projects. And that's going to give you this total number here. My financial grand total planned column is just that individual financial piece. And we are going to get into that in just a second here. And then lastly, this column is my budget utilization. So how much of your budget are you utilizing within this individual object? I'm going to go ahead and click into an individual project here and show you for system upgrade. This is what my financials area looks like. If you click on this, if you click on a project and this does not appear, you might need to go up to the top right-hand side and find the financials tab. Within this area, you can enter your financials, again, for this individual project. Before entering any financials, you'll have to check it out, like some other areas of Tempus. You can see I've got a very simple example built out here. I've got this by quarter. I've got one category and some different values entered here. You can assign new categories within here as well, add those in, type in the values, and those will get rolled up as well to the different levels of your hierarchy. I hope this is helpful. If you have any additional questions, please let us know. Thank you.